What's up, you guys? It's Courtney and I'm back with another review. These are not sponsored reviews. I'm just doing reviews because I buy a lot of stuff and I ended up getting a gift card from Amazon. So I purchased this 19-piece of LA Girl concealer kit. It was super hard for me to decide what color I was, and I'm not really good with my skin color. It goes like, it changes, but I'm light bright. But it changes though. I don't know. And I don't really get tan or anything, so I just decided to like buy all of them. I had a gift card and the total price of it was $38, but I ended up paying like $3 for it. Around me there's no close place to get any of them, and I heard that Walgreens has them, but I've been to like all the Walgreens in Vegas almost and I haven't found them at all. But LAGirlUSA.com, that's the main website. You can also go to Amazon, eBay, or you can check for them at like your beauty stores. I know like in LA, like in Compton, they have a lot of them over there. I also have the color correctors. If you're new to color correcting, I'm semi-new to it as well, and I kind of like it. I really like the price of it because they're only $3 a piece if you were to buy them individually. If you are able to purchase this whole thing, I would buy it on Amazon because it's way cheaper. Like, I wouldn't have bought the color corrector separately and they were probably like $1 or $2 more, but $1 or $2 more is $1 too much. I'm not a makeup artist, but I like that I have all of them. I got the darker colors that I can use if I want to contour my face, just depending on what look I'm going for that day. And it's good for all complexions. They're really thick, so you have to be very careful. You don't have to put a lot of product on your face when you do use this concealer. They go on your skin really flawless. I don't have any creases in my makeup, and I did use the color correctors today. These are the color correctors and you guys can try these out. I think they have one more color, but a yellow corrector is supposed to brighten up all the areas that are kind of dark in your face, and you kind of let this sit on top of your face before you put your makeup on. I don't know, maybe I'm doing it backwards. I put it on like before, and then sometimes I put it on like a little bit after, and then it just makes my face really bright. So maybe I am doing it right. Another one that I have is the green color corrector. The green is supposed to brighten up all the red spots in your face. I get pimples on my cheeks like all the time, so I just like to put a little bit of this on my face and let it sit. A lot of us have dark circles, so I do like to use the orange. This is like the orange corrector, but it comes off kind of like a deep red color, so you don't have to use a lot of this. Please don't use a lot of this because you're gonna look super like orange, or you're just gonna look crazy. To the swatches, I'm pretty fair skinned, so you're gonna see like all of the swatches, and they kind of get higher up here because like I was in the mirror trying to put them on, but that didn't work out. But this color I'm gonna show you guys is Classic Ivory. Natural is the color next to that one. Creamy Beige is the third color, and next to that one is Nude. Medium Biscuit is like my favorite color, and Pure Beige is a color that kind of matches my skin tone a little bit, so I moved up on the camera. Warm Sand is a really cool kind of warm color. Next to that one is Medium Beige. Almond, Cool Tan. Toast is my favorite. That is Highlight Edition. Warm Honey is a super warm color. I really love it. It's a pretty color. Fawn is gonna be the next color over. I had to move up a little bit. Toffee is kind of like close to Fawn a little bit, but not really. Espresso, I got Espresso and Chestnut mixed up, but the next one over is going to be beautiful bronze. And the last color is dark cocoa. Hopefully this video helped anybody who's in the market for an affordable concealer. If you saw all the swatches on my arm, you can kind of determine which one is your skin color, so you don't end up buying all 19 of them like I did. But I would invest in the color correctors if you haven't, and do a little bit more research on the color correctors. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more videos from me. I don't have no subscribers, so but I want to put out videos for whoever you guys are. Hopefully I'll get better at this, the editing, and I won't be so shy like on camera. I'm not really shy, it's just so weird. It's like, follow me on social media, be nice to me, stay happy, and